We are from DNB Business Consulting, and DNB Business Consulting is one of the premier management consulting based out of Ahmedabad. Those we are helping MSME in setting the processes and setting those departments and their day-to-day challenges and their strategies how to grow for next 5 years or 10 years. So DNB Business Consulting is something about setting the processes and those departments which can grow these companies on a world level, larger scale. हमारा फोकस ये होता है कि ये एक वर्ल्ड लेवल का स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन किया जाए. सो हमारे जितने भी प्रोसेसेस होते हैं दे आर as qualified as any multinational companies, any companies who's about to go to world forum. We are setting those processes. We are also ISO certified company, so we also know certain processes, and we have a team of those people who are already setting these processes in so many big companies. So we have hired those consultants, and they are part of our team who are implementing these processes.
Right from last many years, we have been in this industry, and we got to know that MSME is the backbone of this Indian economy. And we have chosen this field because there are many unorganized organizations are there. They have the potential, but they are not coming up with the right product, right set of people, and they are not having a very clear vision about their growth. So we are here to help them to in sales department, finance department, HR department. We establish all the processes, we monitor them for the year, and we give them a paper guarantee. This is one of the unique features that we are offering to our clients. This is the boon for MSMEs, anyone from the manufacturing industry. They are trying to get benefited out of it. See, Indian quality is not very much up to the mark as of now in the global market. As we all about know, we always encourage the foreign product to develop, and they try to nourish those products. But by this platform, we help them to set very different manufacturing process, like let's say Six Sigma or lean management and ISO certification. The process is SOP is also there. So by this means, we are trying to strengthen our product and give them a right quality for the Indian consumer. And this is how we help our organizations and the clients. So wonderful. I know few of the names whom I approached in past, and there are few clients. They are already in our client list. So we are on the same page, and I feel really honored that you invited us here.
Can we please have the AV?
DNB Business Consulting is an intellectual and multidisciplinary strategic consulting firm addressing the needs of MSME sector. DVBC founded in 2017 with a vision assisting MSME entrepreneurs and companies to grow in right path. DNB Business Consulting is a leading consulting firm of Ahmedabad for MSME companies. Company offers growth guarantee for its clients and assists various companies on day-to-day functions of business like employee training, HR, sales, marketing and operation department. Quality Mark Awards 2021 for Business Consulting category goes to DNB Business Consulting.